house is not a home when you're sitting all alone. But when I'm with you, it feels like a family. It's the ammo code, it's coming straight to you. It's the ammo code, it's coming straight to you. Where the fun and the laughing is never ending.
Yo, Ammo Crew! Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy
2018.
Halloween.
Lonnie, say hi.
Hey.
Shine the light on her, babe. We'll do one by one. Lonnie is Yoda, as you can see. Punch is a clown. I'm a clown. And then Tony. Who are you, Tony?
He doesn't know. Somebody from Star Wars.
he said somebody
So
from
they
Star Wars.
matched their Halloween costumes.
Star Wars and Star Wars.
I'm
All right.
versus Lonnie because I'm the bad one and Lonnie's the good one.
Yeah, Lonnie said, may the force be with you.
Hey.
Lonnie, say hello, Ammo Crew.
No, do.
Say happy Halloween.
No.
Say Halloween. All right, we're going to go trick-or-treating, guys. We'll see you.
Bye.
Ooh, damn, you positive. Yeah, what kind of... And you? Who are you? Yoda? Say hi.
Hi.
You having fun? We guys about to go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Trick-or-treating, okay.
Malcolm. You look creepy. Your eyes just went white.
Fruit Loop.
That's Fruit Loop, my cousin, guys. Mom. Hi. She's a mom. There's my dad. He's a dad.
I say these for the cool kids, and you're a cool kid, so you get that.
Say thank you.
Here, let me get you another pal.
Yeah. Where you going, Yoda?
Come here, Yoda.
Thank you.
Yoda needs a lollipop.
You say thank you?
Say bye.
Look at me, Tony. Okay, go. Lonnie, you tired? Yeah.
That girl, chocolate. Wasted.
Tony, you have fun?
Yeah. My bag is getting hurt. My
Your bag's heavy? Let me see inside. Whoa.
I've got to count them.
We gotta check when we get home.
This is my family edition. Put a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It's a family edition. This is my family.